how to add in the monthly calendar on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. So first, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button or unlock your screen. Okay, so here I'll go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and then tap on wallpaper and style. From here, tap on the left hand side panel, that is your lock screen panel. Next, tap on the clock panel at the top. And then down here, tap on style tab. Next, swipe across and then tap on the calendar widget. Here, you can make it larger or smaller by dragging on the handle. And then tap on done. Next, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now if you go to your lock screen, it will display your monthly calendar on the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.